In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start meme coin trading on Pump.fun. To begin, head over to Pump.fun, which is a platform built for launching and trading meme coins on Solana. Once you're on the site, the first thing you'll want to do is find a coin to trade. Pump.fun shows a constant feed of new tokens, and you'll usually see dozens of fresh coins appearing all the time. Because of how fast this market moves, it's important not to click into the first thing you see without taking a closer look. As you browse, spend a moment doing basic research on any coin that catches your attention. A good starting point is to look for signs of an active community. If a token has a funny, memorable, or viral meme behind it, that can help it gain attention quickly. You should also check the social links attached to the coin's page, such as its Telegram or X profile, to get a better sense of whether people are actually talking about it and whether the project looks active. This doesn't guarantee success, but it can help you avoid blindly entering trades. When you find a token you want to trade, click on it and enter the amount of SOL you want to spend. Then click Place Trade to complete the purchase. This part is simple, but understanding how pricing works is important. Pump.fun uses something called a bonding curve, which means the price generally rises as more people buy the coin. In other words, early entries can get lower prices, while later buyers often pay more as demand increases. There's also an important milestone to know. If a coin reaches a market cap of $69,000, Pump.fun moves it to Raydium, which is a decentralized exchange, and the liquidity tokens are burned so the coin becomes more like a standard crypto asset. That transition can be useful context when you're deciding how early or late you are in a trade. Finally, let's talk about risk management. Meme coins are extremely volatile, and most new tokens lose value very quickly, sometimes dropping all the way to zero. Because of that, this kind of trading is considered very high risk. Speed matters here. Many traders try to buy lower during dips and take profits quickly instead of holding for the long term. It also helps to use charting tools like Dex Screener or GMGN to monitor live price charts and track wallet activity. These tools can give you a better real-time view of what's happening before you enter or exit a position. That's the basic process for getting started with meme coin trading on Pump.fun, and as always, move carefully and manage your risk.